So this is one of our monthly customers. They have two cars. They get washed, and we do wash the dry. We vacuum and do the windows on the interior. Finishing up this one. This was a big one. Right here. We do all the inner rims inside there every month on this one here. To clean those rims are really good. Inside and out, the wheel wells also too get cleaned. Nothing builds up on this car. We do door jams. They don't like running their car through automated car washers. I have two customers like this, and they both have two Lexuses. This is the other Lexus, and we'll be doing this one in a minute after we finish that one. There's the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Faithful Angel. She has a pet care and cleaning service. You'll find her information in the description area below. And she also does window cleaning also too. She has a few regular customers she does every month. Let's put Port Angeles, Washington, and Port Angeles-Sequim, the Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man, Faithful, World Wide Web, Facebook, and YouTube.